Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2005 Peterbilt 335. It's an under CDL truck, 25.9 door tag, hydraulic brakes, Cat C7, roughly 147,000 miles on it and about 5,000 hours. It's got an 11-foot maintainer service body, an 8000 series crane, and a hydraulic air compressor. We'll spend some time in the beginning of this video just walking around doing a cosmetic kind of overview of the truck. I'm going to point out any areas that you want to see if you were here in person. That's the goal of these videos, just to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So that being said, if there's anything you need more up-close pictures, videos, or information on, feel free to call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. Second portion of the video, I will do a cold start, a drive, and a crane and compressor demo. So if that's what you're waiting on, feel free to skip ahead. Really nice truck all the way around. We took this on trade from a customer who was downsizing. Again, it's a Cat C7 powered truck, Allison automatic. $5,087 hours and 148,748 on the miles. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat here. Overall, cab is in real good shape. You have just some fading on the headlights, area along this front grille where there's cracking in the chrome. Fading on the passenger side headlight as well. The truck's been fully serviced, Virginia State Safety inspected. If you'd like copies of any of the repair work, parts and labor receipts, we're happy to provide those. Again, you can just text us at that number, 804-716-8487, and we can send over copies of any work that we completed on this truck to get it ready prior to sale. Have a nice weld deck here. There was previously a welder mounted on it that the customer removed before trading it in. The bed has not been painted or refinished here, so it does have some rock chipping all along. But it was just buffed and shows pretty well. You can see there's still a reflection in the paint. It's your torch cabinet here. Bin floors are all dry, solid. Frame rails are all dry and solid. See up there in the bed floor, it's also in good shape. Your exhaust. At some point, it looks like there was some paint repair here and somebody painted over that latch. This is not a branded service drawer. It just looks like a set of drawers that somebody set in here. So they probably won't hold up too well in the long run, but it does have that there. On the driver's side, there is one set of nice drawers. Gas shocks are a little worn. We got a bunch inside we can throw on there. Rear workbench bumper could probably use to be bed lined. You can see the wear on the existing bed liner. It's got a master sliding lock. You can lock all the doors at once, or you can lock them individually off the key there. It's your crane compartment, factory wired remote. Let me see if I can get up to the load chart there. There you go. So it's a 25-foot max boom reach and an 8,000 pound maximum capacity on it. Hydraulic outriggers, controlled off the outrigger controls here. Outriggers work as they should. There's a rust hole here in the tube, and it looks like a patch over here in this side of the tube. Tow hitch receiver and trailer wiring on the back. All your valves and everything are in here. It's all your crane controls and wiring. Toolbox up here in the front. Here's your hydraulic air compressor. It's a Quincy model. Air tank, reels. Then you also have this awning mounted on the side of the crane as well. The vise does work, but man, it is a tiny vise on a big truck. You have a bumper mounted vise there. Some sort of rack system, shelving system going on in here. Probably remove that. Replace it with traditional shelves if it were mine. Again, the undercarriage and all the bin floors are pretty dry. No real major rust areas to note, other than just those spots on the outrigger tubes. Couple areas here where it looks like it's been repainted at some point or touched up. On a lot of the bins you have some of that rock chipping going on. This is your one big set of nice maintainer drawers. I don't know if you can tell in the video how wide these are, but almost go the entire width of this double door bed. So there's a ton of storage here. In those drawers. There you go. There's some nice motivational sayings on this bed too. One more box here under the weld bed. That's about it for the cosmetic portion. We're going to get into the crane compressor demo, cold start in the drive. Again, if you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. Again, it's hydraulic brakes, Allison automatic. Got to go slow through here. We're parked in pretty tight. Aftermarket radio head unit there. AC is blowing nice and cold. It's probably about 90 degrees out today, and it's already kicking. a terrible turning radius, honestly, for how big the truck is. And again, this truck is under CDL. Have a little bit of bin lighting in here. Turn the compressor on. The outriggers are run off these right here. It takes two hands to run them, so I couldn't really do a video while I ran them, but there they are, set down. Crane side is you gotta pull the pin and pull the outrigger. Crane is run off this factory wired remote. Plenty of cord length, cord's in good shape. Two-stage hydraulic extension. We looked at the load chart there earlier. I believe it was a max of 25 feet. Hey, just wanted to say thanks again for watching. Again, it's a 2005 335 under CDL, 8,000-pound crane, hydraulic compressor, C7 cat, 147K on the miles, a little over 5,000 hours. This is all that we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar or slightly different, feel free to give us a shout anytime. It's 804-716-8487. Full availability of inventory is on our website. And please call ahead to confirm availability. All trucks are offered on a first come, first served basis, so call ahead, let us know before you're coming, make sure it's available. We do take trades, and we also have a really good commercial lender if you need financing. All right, thank you again for watching.